In a bid to combat the growing menace of fake news, the federal government has unveiled an anti-fake news film titled When Wolves Cry. The movie, aimed at promoting media literacy and critical thinking among Nigerians, aligns with the government's effort to combat misinformation. Our correspondent reports. Dr. Ike Neliaku, president of Nigeria Institute of Public Relations, in his keynote speech emphasized the dangers of fake news.
So, in other words, before us, we are seeing that fake news, misinformation, disinformation, and all the appurtenances thereof and therein, as lawyers would say, have become a major danger to society and nation building. And the question, therefore, is, what shall we do? And this is why we in the communication sector are saying that the time has come to make responsible communication an aspect of governance and nation building.
I'm very honored to welcome you on behalf of UNESCO and 2ET Films to this premiere, which marks a significant point in the collaboration between UNESCO office and cultural and creative industry in your country. It is also noteworthy to mention at this point the social awareness message in your production, exemplified by the attention paid to fake news as a major theme in the movie we're going to see.